Yes, indeed. We are outside the Bhisho High Court where 8 suspects are appearing before this court. They are accused of murdering Mboneni Vesele, who was the bodyguard of the Vice-Chancellor of the University of Fort Hare, Prof. Sakhela Buhlungu. These suspects, the police have been on hand since this incident happened. Remember, it happened in January 2023. So the police have been up and down trying to bring justice to the family of Mboneni Vesele. But I must point it out, though, that the media has been banned from broadcasting or even recording the court proceedings, the judge citing the issue of safety for the witnesses. But what transpired today is that witness number 5 took to the stand, that is warrant officer Sandile Ndumiso, who works at the provincial crime scene management team, specifically at the forensics department. So what he was testifying about is the role that he played in the investigation of this case on the forensics matter. He told the court that on the 7th of January, he was invited to the crime scene at 1 Pollock Street in Alice, where the incident is said to have happened. What he did when he got to the scene was to look at the camera, at the video footage of that house, because what he had to do was to download the footage so that they can get it later on and perhaps try to see if there is anything that they can find out from the video footage. He says that as he was watching the video, he noticed that something was wrong with the video. There are some things that are not clear, such as the crime scene. It was not evident at all at that video, so meaning the video was faulty. This is despite the security guard saying that the cameras were working just fine on that fateful day. So from there, he handed over to those that are above him that can be able to fix the footage. That is, he was also with Colonel Mayor, who showed him everything with regards to the scene. He also told the court that just not far from the crime scene, there was a maroon Jeep that he had to go to and lift up fingerprints and DNA as well. So he says when he got to that maroon Jeep, it was locked. So they had to come back the next day and unlock it with the experts that know exactly how to deal with such cases. On that Jeep, he told the court that he found 5 bullet cartridges. He also found 16 A4 size papers with pictures of different people and some notes in it, and he also found just a slip from Mr. Price. And it's not only that car that he was able to lift fingerprints and DNA from. He also went to Fleet Street at the residence of students of University of Fort Hare, where the white BMW that was said to have been used by Mboneni Vesele was stationed at the time. When he got there, he managed to look around the car and try to see if he can be able to find any evidence that can be used on this case. And indeed, he managed to find bullet cartridges there too. And then later on, they realized that all the bullets that they found from the crime scene, from the maroon Jeep and from the white BMW are all from the same gun. So his testimony is still going on at the present moment. In fact, it has been adjourned for tomorrow. He's going to come back and deliver more evidence, hoping to assist the state in prosecuting anyone that might be found guilty of murdering Mboneni Vesele, who was the bodyguard of the University of Fort Hare's Vice-Chancellor, Prof. Sakhela Buhlungu. Back to you in studio.